people love it. It's just a good combination.
Everyone knows it, everyone talks about it, everyone has it. So if it wasn't around, it would definitely be missed.
Hello, I'm David Hambury. I've owned Hamburys for the last 40 years and I'm going to endeavour to show you how to make the best fish and chips. So what we do is we buy fillets of cod and haddock from the northeast Atlantic. It's very deep, unpolluted waters up there. It's the best fish available, and I've got a real hankering for Faroese fish. It's always a little bit sweeter. You pay a little bit more for it, but you get a better quality of fillet.
We supply loads of restaurants daily, thousands of restaurants who are supplying fish and chips to the public. So without us, it wouldn't be able to happen. Hi, my name's Emily Griffiths. I work here at Kingfisher Brixham, and I'm just going to take you on a tour around the depot with me. Okay, whole cod, definitely the favourite of the British. You've got, I think it's sort of about 4 to 6 kilos in weight, so it's sort of the best of the best. You've got your whole hake. This is a good one for fish and chips, and one of my favourites as well. Another delicate flavour, but also you have got a lot of a meatier texture than your cod and your haddock.
When you get a really big portion of fish like this, you just want to take a little bit of the brown off, and I'm going to get some quite nice portions out of here. What you're looking for in a good potato is something that's going to cook up. It's going to have a little bit of crispiness on the outside and nice puffy, soft inside. Our favourite potato is Agria, but it's a very reliable product. It's got about the right amount of dry matter, which means that the potato isn't too dry. Actually, this is how we make our batter. We use this gun. We filter the water from the mains and then go through a carbonizer, which actually makes it into sparkling water. And that gives the batter a little bit more lift. Summer, winter, it's the right temperature. It's anything from 4 to 8 degrees. There's nothing worse. You can have the best fish and the best potatoes. If it's cooked in the wrong oil, or the oil that's been used too long, it can taste awful. Although it's been fried, if you actually take the batter off the fish, you won't taste fat, you'll just taste fish that's poached. That's the proper way of doing it. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes. But most importantly, you've got to drain the fish. Because if you take it out too soon, put it in there, it's going to drain in the box.